welcome back. Today we're gonna attempt to make beeswax candles from beeswax from my hive. So I just wanna say right off the bat, I have never made beeswax candles before. So let's just see how it goes.
Here's what you will need to make beeswax candles. First, you will need beeswax. I used about a pound of beeswax. Then you will need coconut oil. I used about half a cup. I also used essential oil to scent my candle. You will need containers, wicks, pencils, a blowtorch to help melt your wax quicker, and a glue gun. Oh, and you will also need a double boiler system. The first step is to get your double boiler very hot and pour the wax in. Then you wait until all the wax melts. Once all the wax is melted, you take the pot off the double boiler. Next, you put the coconut oil into the pot and let it melt. So my wax was not hot enough to melt the coconut oil, so I had to put the pot back on the double boiler. While I waited for the coconut oil to melt, I decided to hot glue the wicks to the bottom of each jar. I came across a problem here because I could not wrap the wick around the pencil, so I decided to just lean the wick against the pencil. Once the wax was done melting, it was time to put the essential oil into the hot wax. I used the essential oil Citrus Bliss. After the essential oil was added to the hot wax, I had to wait till the wax started to solidify around the edges of the pot before I poured it. Once the wax was cool enough to pour, I gently poured wax into each jar. After I'd poured the wax, I came across a major problem. Some of the wicks did not stay glued to the bottom of the jars. So I used clothespins to keep them in place. This was the finished product.
Overall, there were a lot of problems, and I definitely need more practice making candles, but it was super fun despite being very time consuming. But I'm so glad I have these cute little candles now. They smell great. Success!
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.